bit rate and the baud rate are commonly confused, and you might even get a question where you have to talk about the relationship between them. There is a common link that they do link closely, and there's a mathematical relationship between them. And as an example below, what we've got here is we've got on the left hand side, we've got a example of a transmission where it would be 2 baud, because you can see between it there's 2 columns per second, so there's 2 possible signal changes per second, but within each signal change I'm only sending 1 bit of data. When you send 1 bit of data per signal change, your baud rate and your bit rate are the same, because my baud rate is 2 baud, and my bit rate is 2 bits per second. Okay, so in that example it's the same. But if you look at the example on the right, I've got 2 bits of data sent per signal change. So I've got a baud rate of 2, but I've got a bit rate of 4. You can see there's a mathematical relationship between the two, and a common thing you could say is that the bit rate is always greater than or equal to the baud rate. You won't ever get a bit rate that is lower than the baud rate, because the lowest it can be is the same. Okay, so just make sure that you do understand what a bit rate is, what a baud rate is, and what the relationship between the two is.